200-piece set of multi-purpose cable ties for tethering, tying, and securing items. 4-inch, 100 mm, white. Ideal for use in the home, office, garden, or workplace for securing wires, cables, plants, tarps, fencing, and much more. Self-locking fastener stays locked permanently in position. Does not unlock, remove with scissors. Industrial strength 6/6 nylon construction. 18-pound max supporting weight, tensile strength. Temperature tolerance from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius or -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I wanted. To help you visualize how tough they are, I found it very difficult to cut them with a pair of scissors. I had to go down to the base of the scissors and squeeze hard to cut them.